Good evening. Welcome back to Gardening at Home with Liz. I'm coming to you today from my porch here in Pasadena, and I wanted to talk to you a bit about the upcoming holidays and what that's going to look like, because we can't do most of our usual traditions. We can't go trick-or-treating, we can't have our whole family over for Thanksgiving, we can't have any holiday parties. So we're gonna have to get a little creative in ways that we can still make the holidays feel joyful and fun and exciting. So Halloween is next weekend, and for those of you who love pumpkin as much as I do, I wanted to share with you this beautiful pumpkin that was grown at La Madera Community Garden. Now this one, you could carve it, but you could also eat it. So I'm planning to do both. Although a little squirrel did get to it before me. You see those little squirrel nibbles? Squirrels love pumpkins. So what I'm gonna do with this pumpkin is carve it out, scoop out the seeds, separate them from the pulp. Some of the seeds I'll save for planting next year, and the rest I'll roast and toss with salt, olive oil, and pepper. They're very tasty. Pumpkin is super high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. Very good for you and also tasty. You could just roast it in your oven at like 375 for about 45 minutes with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper, or you can make it sweet with like honey and cinnamon. It's a lot of fun things you can do. Another thing you could do to get ready for the Christmas season is planting sugarcane for ponche. We have a lot of sugarcane growing at the garden, so I wanted to talk to you about when you have something like sugarcane or bamboo that's in the grass family. It's very easy to propagate. You pretty much just take a stick of it and plant it directly into the ground, and the new roots, if you recall from some of our older videos, the new roots will come out of the node, which is the juncture between where the branches meet. So the node for anything in this family is this line right here, this separation. And if you look very closely, you can see this little bump right here is called a bud scale. See one right here as well, a little bud scale. And that's where the new roots or branches will come out of. So if it's above ground growing, this is where the new branch will come. And if it's underground growing, this is where the new roots will come out. So, and that's pretty much true for anything in this family that you want to try and propagate. So I hope you enjoyed this, and next weekend we'll be talking about ofrendas and some other fun November holiday traditions. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.